Alright guys, we got the chicken flake bonus, betting $5 on Lightning League. We'll see. Highly volatile, like, oh yeah, wilds? Dang it. No, so far no good. Uh-oh, halfway through and nothing. Wilds? Little bit. We need some help. That's gonna be nothing. Doesn't even matter. 2 more spins. Oh, beat those trophies. Nope. A wild guy, wild guy. Yes. That's huge, guys. That's huge. We got the buffalo music. That was good because, like, the rest of that bonus was trash, man. I don't know how much it's gonna be. 5 across with some pretty good symbols. Jack kind of hurts. It's over 200. That's why I put in. It's winding down. It's gonna give it over 3. Over 3. Okay. Can I get to 4? Okay. Alright. Is 5 too much to ask? I'm not gonna hit it. I'm just kinda enjoying this. Nope. 405. Nice. Guys, we got whole spin, drink cash, happy and prosperous, 10-cent denom, so those are pretty good sized numbers. Last spin Johnson, can I get save? That did save me, $12.50, but we'll take it. Okay, oh nice, nice, freaking nice, man. It's another $250. I think that might be a hand pay. If I get this, I get 12 grand. Come on, smack it. Smack, smack, smack it. Still is freaking huge, man. Absolutely awesome. My best day at MGM Vegas, like, ever. This is the end of the night. Yeah, it's a hand pay, all right. $1,600, guys. I put 100 in. It was only like $65 in that 100. Ring, ring. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. It really helped me out. I really appreciate it. It's not even been a year that I started, and I'm almost getting close to 2,000 subscribers. So really appreciate it, guys. Alright guys, we got the POS bonus, $2 denom, $3 bet. Hoping for a hold and spin. I'll take a bunch of wild guys though. Okay, got 5 cross, 2 directions, flowers. Not sure how much that is, but fireworks show, I guess. $31, a good start. Pot! Dang it. Give me a hold and spin, give me a hold and spin. Yeah. I don't like that. Can I get another good hit? Petered out on me, guys. Yucky. Oh well. Alright guys, we're gonna little spin. We're only 2-cent denom. This is quite as big as my last one, only betting $1, so I don't expect to make a lot, but get some words would be cool. I thought it was been $5 actually, so that's kind of disappointing, but no, dollar bonus is better than no bonus. Still, if you fill all in, it's worth 12 grand, even at a freaking dollar. Noise changer. Oh wow, just one more. That'd be so awesome to get that 12 grand on a freaking dollar. I don't see it in there though. Anybody home in there? Wake up, wake up, wake up. No. I don't know how much that is for a dollar. 50 bucks? Buffalo! Shit. More than I thought. It might be 100 bucks. Oh, it's 2 cent denom. That's a really good for a freaking dollar, 2 cent denom. 100 bucks? You kidding me? Damn, man. Pretty good for a dollar bet. Alright, guys. We're down $5 bet, a 1 cent denom, free games. Haven't been very good to me. No, I can't get any tigers. Come on, something. Nope. Re-trigger. It only gives you 3. I always think you should give you 6 more games. Alright, a little bit. Nothing to brag about, but a little bit. Come on, I just want that hold and spin. Last spin Johnson. Oh, somehow I got tires across. Not sure what line that is. We'll take it. Alright, I'm 500 I'm cashing it out, guys, and going heading back. Alright, guys, a little better. 5 cent denom. Betting 625. So, 5 cent denom. I don't know. I think those were 100 and some. $50 mini. Wish the volume was louder. Come on, give me. Alright. Alright. I don't know how much that is, but I think it's good. It's like. I think it's 100 bucks. Alright. You can give me a nice and give me the major. Last spin Johnson. Can I get noise changer? Negative. Well, we'll see how much it is. Okay, yeah, that's 175. Or that's 100. I don't know. Tired, guys. We'll see when it goes to these ones, how much these ones are. Alright. 418 bucks on 625, but something. Still losing, but on the at the airport. But we'll take it. Guys, probably no whole spin, 2 cent denom. So those like 150s, I think. Or maybe they're 300s, I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Give me something though. Don't give me, okay, another mini, 20 bucks. Anything? Alright, catch me in the game. I don't know what those are, to be honest, guys. It's 2 cents. I guess those are 10 buckses. Well, that's it. Not very good. So those 1500s or 30 buckses. Ugh. 170 bucks. In the free games, guys, at the airport, I haven't been very good to me. Can't get a hold and spin. Can't seem to get a hold and spin. Nothing. Nothing. Seems like 1 out of 10 on free games pays anything. Alright, we got both of the way across. Once. 78 bucks, something. No, 91 bucks. Yeah, it's a pre-game loss at the airport. 5-cent denom. No. Nothing. A little bit. Last Ben Johnson, need a miracle. Didn't get it. Alright guys. Panda bonus, free games, $5 bet, 1-cent denom at the airport. A little bit of bolts. We're looking for the hold and spin. A little bit. Nothing. Not the best. We'll take it. Alright guys, $5 bet Genghis Khan with the pre-game feature. Highly volatile. A lot or probably nothing. Like, because of the multiplier guys. The hold and spin, you know you're going to at least get a decent amount. So we want to get a bunch of these multiplier guys in there. Or land a bunch of balls. Yeah, a little bit there. Well, 61 bucks so far. You can re-trigger too. A little bit. That's 67 bucks. Come on, whole bunch of multiplier guys. No, 69 bucks, something. Alright, so we got a hold and spin, happy and prosperous. $250 ball. We're only betting $5. $100 ball, so that's a really good start. Really good start. Even if that's all we get, it's pretty damn good. I would like to get more. Oh, $25 ball, we'll take it. And, oh, $75 ball. Nice. Come on, slack one. That's it. It's pretty good though. I don't know. 400? 500? Almost 500. 485 bucks, guys, on a $5 bet. That's pretty good on 1-cent denom. Running real good Luxor today. Real good Luxor. Guys, 2-cent denom, Golden Century. We got the free games feature. Hopefully get lots of doors. That was not a good one. $5 bet, obviously. You see it down there. Wild guy. Dang it. Wild guy? A little bit. That's halfway through the games. We've only won 13 bucks so far. Oh no. Balls? This is a rough one, guys. Last spin Johnson here. Save me. We need to hold and spin. Wild guy. Not very good. Alright guys, we got the pot bonus, happy and prosperous. Volume's really low on this machine. Say 2-cent denom, $5 bet. Shoot, missed everything. Okay. We got the rings all the way across on one line. I think just one. No, 2 lines. Alright, 53 bucks. Something. We can get another $33 hit, would be cool. Oh, I hate when you get the balls in the first line because they just block your lines. One more spin. 75 bucks, not terrible. Back in it, guys. Just a couple of spins. We got a minor, it's 100 bucks. Like minis, 20 bucks. Only bet $5. So that's a pretty good start. Oh, $50 ball. Running real good on Dragon Cash today. Just in Luxor in general. Like, I cannot believe how many bonus I'm getting so fast. All a matter of time before it stops. So you gotta know when to, like, tone it down. Because it won't go like that forever. It'll go into take mode. I don't know, I'm gonna say, like, 250? 225. Much more than I thought it was. 270. Dun, 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 dun. guys. Got a bonus on Golden Century. Spent $5. Got right into it. $100 ball. A couple minis. Minis $10. Another mini. Another mini. What's your guys' mini record? I've gotten up to 6 minis before. Now last spin. Oh well. Like over $200, I think. Just under. Well, we're up $147 just like that. Alright guys, we got a home spin, $5 bet, 1 cent denom, minors 50, minis 10. So we got about like, I think it's about 150 out there. $5. $20. $5. You're gonna give me more. I don't think so. Last spin Johnson for the save. Oh, we did. $5 ball. Oh, $10. Or no, wait, that's a $50 ball. No, it's $10. 1 cent denom. Sorry, my bad. I paid nickels a lot, so it threw me off. $5 ball. Can I get you the noise changer? Last spin Johnson. No. I'm gonna say like maybe 200. Maybe. Now 160.